Hi friends, today I will show you how to visualize output of convolutional neural networks activation layers and convert them into a heat map. Basically a class activation heat map for image datasets using Python. Uh, so step one is we have to find an appropriate package and language to choose from. In this case I am using Python language and test package. Step two is basic approach is we have to make a model to get output before flatten layer. We have to create a model object which will take input layer and output layer as a functional API. Then step three, we have to get a feature map page. Then we have to create code for dash app to do visualization part by applying the formula prediction heat maps of predicted value y, where y equals to wh plus b, in which w is nothing but weight uh, corresponding to the predicted label. We have to take the maximum of the weight which for support era 2048, 2048 weights are there. We have to take only those spots what is the label is predicted. Then we have to visualize multiple images at once. For this I am choosing dash framework. The basic idea is to create a drop-down in dash app with image part as an input. We have to apply the above mentioned formula wh plus b for predicted class and activation layer as an input, and then use the concept of lazy loading to select a single topic number at once. I will show you the output. So AP is running on this link. If I upload a image part, so you can see there is a logo. It is model is predicting it wrongly as a puck, but the heat map for this activation we can see why this model is predicting it as a puck. It is predicting because of this orange color present in this region are important regions. Let's see for dog or Labrador. Let's see for Labrador. So I am selecting a Labrador now. Let's see what it will give the important regions in the heat map. So you can see this region, this ears, this this nose is not important, but this eye, black eye, and this entire head structure is important for it to predict a Labrador retriever with probability 55%. Let's see for goldfish. So for goldfish, you can see the entire gold color, and this eye is pretty much important for it to predict as a goldfish with 99% probability. You can see this heat map. Orange color is showing which are the regions which are important for a corresponding activation layer. For this, I have taken the activation layer con 5 block tree out. I can take any other activation layer and get the predictions according to that. Suppose if I give conv 4 block 1 out, if I give the image, okay, so conv 4 block 1 out is not an activation layer. as you can see. So we can do it for any activation layer which is valid, and we will get the results. Conpy block to out. Let's try for conpy block to out. So you can see here also the eye is the important, but activation may be not very much bright now. This is because we are choosing different activation layer. So this heat map is telling us which of the regions are important by model is choosing this fish as a class, this predicted class goldfish with this region. Thank you for this video. Thank you for this.